It's everywhere. Everywhere. Guys, I have a serious question. No, not why is pineapple on pizza still legal? That's another debate. I mean, how is WordPress still running half the websites on the internet? That's like discovering half the buildings in your city were made out of Legos. And somehow they still stand. So today let's dive into why WordPress is still the king, the emperor, the undisputed heavyweight champion of websites. And more importantly, should we be worried? You know how some things never die? Like Nokia phones? Or your neighbor's annoying car alarm at 3 a.m.? Well, WordPress is just like that. It started in 2003 and people thought, hey, it's just a blog tool. Fast forward to today, boom! It's running over 43% of all websites. That's basically saying every second website you visit is a WordPress site. Your grandma's cookie blog? WordPress. That sketchy free movies site you pretend you've never been to? WordPress. That random business that sells pet wigs? Also WordPress. How did this happen? Who allowed this? Okay, let's be honest. WordPress is like instant noodles. It's not the best meal, but it's easy, cheap, and gets the job done. Let me break it down. It's free. And who doesn't love free? People hear the word free and suddenly they become Usain Bolt running toward it. You tell someone, hey, I can make your website for free. And before you finish, they're already downloading WordPress. Themes and plugins, the lazy person's dream. WordPress has like 60,000 plugins. That's 60,000 ways to break your site. I mean, customize it. You want to shop? There's a plugin. You want a contact form? Plugin. You want a button that does absolutely nothing? Guess what? There's a plugin for that too. And Google loves it. And we're all Google's slaves. SEO is like the gym. Everyone knows they should do it, but most people don't. But guess what? WordPress does the SEO work for you. It's like hiring a personal trainer, except it's free and won't judge you for eating pizza at 2 a.m. All right, let's talk problems. Security? LOL. WordPress is open source, which means anyone can see its code. Sounds cool, right? Until you realize hackers also see it. Every time WordPress updates, a hacker somewhere rubs his hands together like a villain. Time to ruin someone's day. And the plugin hell. Remember those 60,000 plugins I mentioned? Yeah, great, until they start fighting each other like reality show contestants. Install one plugin, works fine. Install another, site crashes. Install 10? Congratulations, you've created a black hole. And the speed? WordPress sites can be slower than your grandma using a smartphone because WordPress loads everything, even stuff you don't need. Want a simple page? WordPress still loads 10 files, a database request, and a secret message from Mark Zuckerberg. Probably. Should we be worried? Not really. WordPress is like that old grandpa who refuses to retire. It's not perfect. It's got issues, but it works. So until we find a better alternative, WordPress isn't going anywhere. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to update my WordPress site before the hackers do it for me. Like and subscribe, or your website will crash.